based on the slope of a straight line, we have some MCQ questions we are solving now. So here 17th question, I sent one PDF. In that 17th question, if the slope of the line is minus 1 by 3, that means m is equals to minus 1 by root 3, then its inclination is option 1 pi by 3, option 2 5 pi by 6, option 3 2 pi by 3, option 4 3 pi by 4. Inclination nothing but theta value we need to find. So here m is equals to minus 1 by root 3 is there. We have the formula m is equals to what? The slope of the line, m is equals to one of the formula tan theta. So tan theta is equals to minus 1 by root 3. This is minus, you write as it is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 for which angle tan function is 1 by root 3, tan 60 degrees, 30 degrees. So pi by 6. So we have, it is in the form of tan of minus tan theta. So in second quadrant Q2, tan function is negative, and in fourth quadrant also tan function is negative. Here we can write as minus tan theta is equals to tan 180 minus theta or tan 360 minus theta also. But I am not writing tan 360 minus theta. Why? In the definition of this slope, what I given, the theta range 0 to 180 only I given. So that I am writing here tan of 180 minus theta I am writing. So this is equals to minus tan theta is equals to, easily we can write as tan 180 minus theta. In trigonometry, in the chapter trigonometry, I will explain complete how they are changing, for which angle they are changing, for which angle, which quadrant, which are positive, which are negative, everything I will explain in the chapter trigonometry. You remember this formula, minus tan theta is equals to tan 180 minus theta. So 180 nothing but pi, 180 degrees nothing but pi radians. So tan of pi minus pi by 6, in place of theta here pi by 6. So this is equals to tan, here 6 is LCM, 6 into pi, 6 pi minus pi. That is tan of 5 pi by 6, which is equals to tan theta is equals to 5 pi by 6 is the right answer, which is option 2 is right for this question. Understood? What I written? In equation they given m is equals to minus 1 by root 3. M is equals to slope formula, we have m is equals to tan theta equals to minus 1 by root 3. Minus as it is I written. In place of 1 by root 3 I written tan pi by 6, nothing but tan 30 degrees. It is in the form of minus tan theta. Minus tan theta is equals to one of the formula we have in trigonometry, tan pi 180 minus theta, tan pi minus theta. You remember this formula now. So here in place of theta here pi by 6, so tan pi minus pi by 6. You take the LCM, 6 pi minus pi, that is 5 pi by 6. Tan theta is equals to tan 5 pi by 6. Theta is equals to 5 pi by 6. Which is the right option? Option 2 is right for this question. Next, coming to next question, that is 18th question. 18th question. If the straight line y is equals to mx plus c, if the straight line y is equal to mx plus c passes through the point 3, 4, 3, minus 4 and minus 1, 2, then the value of m is, very easy question you see. This is the one of the straight line equation. The straight line is passing through these 2 points. That means these 2 points lies on the straight line, no? A comma B. These 2 points lies on the straight line. That means this point satisfies the line equation. If point lies on the equation, that point compulsory satisfying the line equation. So that you substitute a 3 comma minus 4 in this equation. So the above equation passing through 3 comma minus 4 point A. So this is the x, this is the y you substitute here. Minus 4 is equals to 3m into 3 plus c. So c is equal minus 4 is equals to 3m plus c. C is equals to minus 3m minus 4. This is the c value. This is take as equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Now equation 1 is passing through another point also. Which point? Passing through B point, minus 1 comma 2. Here this is x, this is y, you substitute in that equation. So 2 is equals to m into minus 1 plus c. So 2 is equals to minus m plus c. C is equals to m is taken left side, m plus 2. This is equation number 3. From 2 and 3, from 2 comma 3, both left side values are c only. So right side equate now. Minus 3m minus 4 is equals to m plus 2. Next, this 3m is taken right side, 2 is taken left side. So minus 4 minus 2 is equals to m plus 3m. Minus 6 is equals to 4m. M is equal to minus 6 by 4. You cancel in 2 table, 2 3 times, 2 times. So m is equals to minus 3 by 2 is the right answer. M is equals to minus 3 by 2 is the right answer. Which is the right option for this question? This is option 2 is the right answer for this question. Okay. Next to 19th question. 19th question. If the line passing through the points minus 8 comma 3, 2 comma 1 is parallel to the passing through the point 11 comma minus 1 is parallel to the passing through the points minus 11 comma minus 1 k comma 0, then value of k is. Understood the question? If the line is passing through these points is parallel to passing through these 2 points, then value of k is thereafter. So this is you take as A, this is the B, this is the point C, this is the point D. So this is the one of the line, it is passing through A and B. Another line is passing through C and D. This is C, AB is parallel to CD. Now we need to find D value. We have one condition, 2 lines are parallel, then what I given? The slopes are equal. That means AB slope is equals to CD slope. You find AB slope is equals to this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Slope formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 minus y1 1 minus 3 by x2 minus x1 2 minus half minus 8. That is minus 2 by 2 plus 8. This is minus 2 by 10. 2 ones are 2 5s are. This is minus 1 by 5 is slope of AB. Now CD slope to find it now. CD slope, this is x1 y1, x2 y2. Similarly you find use the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 0 minus half minus 1 by x2 minus x1 k minus 11. This is equals to minus half minus plus 1, 0 plus 1 is 1 by k minus 11. Now AB is parallel to CD. Therefore slope of AB is equals to slope of CD. Slope of CD. AB slope is equals to minus 1 by 5. CD slope is equals to 1 by k minus 11. 1 by k minus 11. You do now cross multiplication. This is minus of k minus 11 is equals to 5 into 1 5. This is minus k, minus into minus plus 11 is equals to 5. 11 minus 5 is equals to k. K is equal to 6 is the answer. K is equals to 6 is the answer. Nothing else. Very simple question. Just to simplification part only. Just we are used the formula slope of the line which is passing through 2.61 y1 and x2 y2. Then we equate the slopes. After the simplification, we got k value is 6. So which is the right? Option 4 is right for this question. Option 4 is right for this question. You see once. Next, 28th question. The inclination of the line is 15 degrees. Its slope is inclination. Inclination denoted by theta. So theta is equals to what they given? 15 degrees. What we need to find? M is equals to, we need to find. Slope is M is equals to what? Tan theta, we knows the formula. So tan 15 degrees. What is the tan 15 degrees value? If we know the tan 15 degree, that is our answer. How we are finding? You see, this is equals to tan 15 degrees is equals to 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. 45 minus 30 is 15. We know that we have one of the formula tan of A minus B is equals to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. So in SSLC also you have this formula maybe. Otherwise you remember once tan of A minus B formula. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Here A is equals to 45 degrees, B is equals to 30 degrees. You apply now. Tan 45 degrees minus tan 30 degrees by 1 plus tan 45 degrees into tan 30 degrees. Tan 45 degrees is equals to 1 minus tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan 45 is 1, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. This is equals to 1 minus 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Now in numerator root 3 is LCM, 1 into root 3 minus 1 by denominator is root 3, 1 into root 3 plus 1. Root 3 get cancelled. What we are getting? Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. In our options, this one we didn't have. So what we need to do? We are rationalizing the denominator. What is the rationalizing factor of denominator? Root 3 plus 1 is there. So root 3 minus 1. For that value you multiply and you divide. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Here you multiply and divide with root 3 minus 1. Numerator root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 whole square. This is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. That is root 3 square minus 1 square. Numerator in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equals to a square root 3 square plus b square 1 square minus 2ab 2 into root 3 into 1 by root 3 square root get cancelled minus 1 square is equals to 1. Root 3 square is equals to 3, 1 square is equals to 1 minus 2 root 3 by 3 minus 1 is 2. And this is equals to 3 plus 1 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. 2 is common, 2 minus root 3 by 2. 2 to get cancelled, 2 minus root 3 is our answer. 2 minus root 3 is answer. That means tan 15 degrees, you remember this is 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. So this is answer. Which is the right option? 2 minus root 3. Option 4 is right for this question. Option 4 is right for this question. Okay. In bridge course, just enough to explain the concepts. But I am solving the questions also by solving these questions. So few things are helpful for you. First one, you are getting idea of application. You are getting the idea of the application. In competitive classes, this one only important. Everyone knows the formula. By reading, by hearing, we will remember the formula. That is not an issue. So the application is important. So you are developing the application. Next, second thing, simplification. So some of the students they know the application, they know the formulas also. In simplification, by overlook, we are doing some mistakes. I am also sometimes I'm doing the mistakes. So by solving these questions, you will develop the simplifications. You will develop the simplifications. And some people they know the basics, formulas, application, they know the simplification, but they are solving very slow. You see, in CET questions are very easy questions, compared to these questions, what we are solving now, compared to this question, those are very easy. But we need to solve within a minute. 60 questions, 60 minutes only time. So 60 questions, so within the 60 minutes we need to solve. Very easy questions. When you solve this very fastly, easily, you will attend to all the questions. So you will develop. Now you are getting time. You are not attending morning to evening classes. Just to sometimes only are watching videos. So these what I told now, these all you develop now. You are getting time now. So you develop. So just if you get after the synopsis, I am sending first one PDF. Some people they are solving. Some people they are not solving. Okay, they may not getting the application. So after watching the videos, once you try those, and next you take a watch, and within a minute you try to solve the questions. Then you will get the application and speed and simplification. If you are perfect in these three, competitive, solving the maths problems in competitive, very easy. It is not a difficult, it is very easy. You see, so most of the students they got good marks in mathematics. So who are following these instructions, those people only got good marks. Okay? Hope you are practicing well. Only some people only responding, remaining people only one girl, one boy only responding still now. I am waiting for the remaining students also.